So, welcome everyone to the sixth episode of Dave Talks with GDG Gandhinagar. Today we have Riddhi Patel with us, who is a student, and I guess he hosted Dave Fest Baroda last year.
Yes.
So, how was the experience?
Oh, it was wonderful that the response was so great. Like to talk, to stand before such a huge crowd, and the crowd was consisted of every variety, like from students to some maybe company CEOs and organizers of different GDGs and everyone. So it was a great experience. I met a lot of people, the speakers, and
Yeah.
everything. So
And so, was that your first Dave Fest?
no, actually I attended Dayfest 2018, and from being an attendee of Dayfest 2018 to being a host of 19 and a speaker in the meetups, it is a very great experience in this community.
Yeah. So, another thing, Riddhi is also contributing to WTM Baroda, right? So, do you
Yes.
want to share some things about WTM?
Uh, WTM is something that it is specifically for women in tech. So we try to inspire a lot of women to join the community and to take part in technical stuff, because it is sometimes women think that it is a male dominant field, but it is not so. Now today
Yeah.
there are a lot of women you can see who are in fact more successful than men in technology. So that is what our motive is. So
Yeah. So most of the GD chapters have WTM sister community running with them. So if you are a woman in tech, if you want to share your knowledge with fellow women speakers, women coders, even anyone, you can just contact them and tell them, hi, I want to talk about this thing, and we are sure that they will provide you a platform to share your experience. Right. So apart from hosting DevFest, talking at meetups, what are your interests in tech sector?
I am a third year computer engineering student at Charleston University, and I am currently exploring machine learning. I have developed applications in Flutter and also an IoT developer. I have made projects in IoT and data mining. I currently am researching in NLP, natural language processing. Yes, that. And I have also presented some posters and in CSI regional event at our college.
Yeah, so very controversial question. I guess this will be the most controversial question that I have asked. Like, do you think there will be a Kathiawadi mode for Google Assistant?
Oh, I have built a Google Assistant trivia game, like a quiz on Friends. You can invoke it by saying "Talk to Mr. Central Perk," and you will enjoy it. Like Friends is so cool. So
Yeah,
yes.
and I recently heard that they are going to air a new special on HBO.
Yes, reunion.
Yeah, so haters gonna hate who are not sitting behind the camera, but most of the room is happy.
Yes.
Yeah. So apart from that, are you working on any open source project, or have you contributed to any open source project?
No, I have not, but I have seen crowdsource, Google crowdsource. I am
Yeah.
aware about it, but currently I'm in doing the research part. So
No, it's nice. So another question from my side is that being a student, what do you think a role of community is in a life of like any student of any discipline? Let it be management, let it be tech, let it be even law.
community helps you to grow. It especially for people who are introvert, who are afraid to communicate. Now, a field of computer especially is something where you need to grow out. You need to discuss your thoughts with people, because if you are stuck somewhere in code or somewhere in technology, you need to approach people and learn from that. And for that, you need to be a bit like extrovert type, where you can go and easily talk to someone. And community helps you to make contacts, grow. And it has happened with me, because when I came to GDG Day Fest 2018, I came alone. Like I registered all by myself. I had no friends, and when I came, I was totally blank that how would I go on for the whole day alone, you know.
Yeah.
But the networking part and everything, and I met Prachi Durge first in the morning when I came, and she was my survival for Dayfest 18. And today here we are both like women, being women. She is the co-organizer of GDG Baroda, and I'm here. So the community helps you to grow.
Yeah, so for context, Prachi is Kushal's boss. Once again, if you forget. Yeah, so there are many myths when we talk about ML, machine learning, artificial intelligence. So, are there any myths that you want to bust?
Well, people think that ML is something that you need to be very knowledgeable for that, and AI is like, they think that it is a very big thing to learn, but it is not so. Like, if you know maths and statistics, you know a bit of software development, ML is very easy. And I recently took a session on an introductory session for beginners on how to learn ML, because a few months back I was the one wondering that okay, I need to ML is something right now, it is a boom in our field, and every other person walking is like, I want to learn ML, but they have no idea how to do it. So it is not that tough, but yes, you need, if you like maths, you can easily learn it, but if you don't like maths, then it is a
Yeah,
bit
so that's
tough.
the reason I am web developer. I suck at maths. Yeah. So another thing, what do you generally use when you are trying to do some simple stuff with ML? Let's say if you want to just learn behavior pattern of some user, why, what are the statistics of why user are doing some certain things on particular app, and
Yes, there is a thing called teachable machine. For very beginners, you can just go and it will help. When you are learning something new, what you want is to see the outputs, to see the results. And so I would suggest that if you are a beginner and if you want to see what exactly will be the output of, if you have actually created or trained your own model, you can go on teachable machine, and there are those easy steps, and you could follow, and you can see. So you will get that output, and you will feel very happy, because I did that first, and I feel very happy about that. Okay, it is not about you don't have to code much. You just have to train the model, click it, and it will go.
yeah. So I have also explored ML. I can say that there is a site called TensorFlow Playground, right? So I just went there and run some algorithm, and it will just go on doing circles and create
yes,
gradients.
the teachable machine is the same.
Yeah. So that explains how noob I am at ML. Yeah, and still I'm talking on ML. Yeah. So how was your experience after from DevFest, being a host at DevFest 19 to host having your own meetup where you are helping people learn new technologies? How was your experience there?
It was very knowledgeable, I should say, because it helped me to explore more things, because there is that tendency that okay, even I want to be a speaker, or even I want to do something, and for that first you need to learn something. So it helped me, and I have made great contacts. The community, I have met many people who are so inspiring, and yes, it is very good. It feels good that every Sunday I'm not just at home and doing nothing. Actually, I'm just contributing to something, and even by contributing, you even learn. So
yeah. So do you plan on exploring more cities, more going to more DevFest, more attending more events?
Yes. I actually had applied to IWD Bangalore, but I got rejected. So yes.
Yeah, so you are always welcome to come to Gandhi.
Yes.
It was great talking with you.
Thank you. Same.
Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And you can just that bell button over there, somewhere here. You can just click on it. So whenever we'll post a new video, even bloopers, you can see